That is a big turtle for this city. It's coming over here. It's funny, I can't find any birds at this bird sanctuary. This is my life hack for people who don't want to spend a bunch of money starting a YouTube channel. I feel pretty scrunched doing most of these videos in front of my vanity, but to be more open. And I guess if you want to hear my 2 cents on the new Doctor Who, there's been a lot of hype, and I didn't think of all websites CNN would reveal it before I had a chance to do the reaction, and I explained about it in my last video that I was kind of semi-spoiled about the gender of Doctor Who, and I think we should really give this lady a chance because they have been hinting that the Doctor could possibly change into a female for probably since the 11th Doctor episodes. He kind of briefly mentioned another Time Lord that was also a gender bender, and Missy, the obvious one, and then another Time Lord regenerated into a woman during last season's finale. So that's my opinion. I think it's good, but you know, we'll have to see. It's just like we had to give all the other Doctors a chance, and then at the very end he turned out to be the best one ever, and then he regenerates. So, yeah, let's just give her a chance, okay? And I'm planning to go to Biltmore Park again. I want to see Valerian, because I like the director's other movies, you know, Leon the Professional and The Fifth Element. I am trying to keep an open mind with this one. There's so far different reviews on this movie, and I want to get there in time, because if you say the phrase French film in East Coast hipster city USA, there's going to be a lot of people. Okay, Valerian was so-so. It was visually stunning, but probably needed a lot less humans in the story. I had high hopes, but The Fifth Element was a lot better. I went on Amazon Fire and I found out about this Pluto TV app, and nobody told me about it. I use Crackle a lot sometimes too, but this one has a bunch of free movies, TV, and it has MSNBC on it. Obviously this is not sponsored. You can see I have no subscribers, hardly any views, so I just found out about it. But if you do watch this video, go check that app out. So I watched Ready Player One trailer. I got influenced to play some of my old video games. Plus I found these in storage recently. This one and another one coming up. And get it to work. Pawn's the only one. I think Pawn's the only one that works. I've been trying to follow the trailers from the San Diego Comic Con. Some of them are pretty good. I'm still convinced, after watching them, and some of the movies past couple of years, that Brandon Routh is still the superior successor to Christopher Reeve. There, I said it. Jury's still out on the DC universe. I think Marvel has them beat, and Fox has them beat too, because one of my favorite movies this past year is Logan. I've already bought the movie. I also like Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, and I really suck at Pong. It's been a while. Found my Namco 2. There's some glitches. I think it just needs to be rebooted a couple times because it was heavily over pixelated. How would you describe that? Let's try. reboot it again. Just a fire button. Like Miss Pac-Man fast. Faster. Joystick is a little tricky. Tear itself apart again, so hopefully I can do this by memory. That's how long it's been in storage. The battery still works. So. All the big pellets. I think that's my cue to sign off. I still have to go run a few errands. I'll see you all later. Goodbye.